Yeah, what's good, guys? Welcome back. Axtuo is back, and I'm saying I got these 1998 BMW. You see the vibes, you see the grill. You know what I'm saying 323 IS. I mean, straight up like that. I'm saying, and I don't want to say it's a head gasket, okay? Because in this car, the owner being putting a coolant every 2 days, something like that. He didn't pay attention. She didn't pay attention. If there was like a puddle under the car, stuff like that, until he came to the masters, and the masters were like, you know what, you gotta check underneath if you see a puddle. You know what I'm saying? And if you see a puddle, then that's good. Because if there's not a puddle, but you losing coolant, then the engine might be eating it. And if the engine is eating it, then that means there is a head gasket. Thankfully, it's not. You know what I'm saying, because I just checked the coolant reservoir, which is this guy right here, and it's leaking from the bottom. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace this guy. Alright, real quick before I jump into the action. You know I gotta say, I'm gonna say it again. Alright, support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Shout out to my subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. The other way you can support the channel is by clicking on the bell button. Did I say that? Click on the bell button so every time I upload new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. Did I say that? Well, now I just said it now. Alright. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. Watch it all. This is like regular TV. You gotta come with commercials. You know what I'm saying? Back in the days, you couldn't skip it though. Nowadays, you skip it. But if you want to support the channel, this channel, especially this channel, don't skip it. Alright? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you real quick how to replace this guy and see if for sure if the bottom is leaking. I mean, I touch it at the bottom like this, you know what I'm saying? And it's leaking, you know what I'm saying? It was wet, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna do right now. 1998 BMW 323 IS. Boom. Alright, first we're gonna remove this cap, just like that, okay? Put it on the side. Now you're gonna see this guy. You're gonna do is pull it up here, it's gonna come out. Alright, and if it doesn't come out that easily, then wiggle it and it's gonna come out. Now you see the vibes, okay? You see the vibes. Now I just push this up a little bit, then push it back. There's a hose, right? This hose run along this thing and it connects right here. So we're gonna lose it right here, okay? Flat screwdriver, you know what I'm saying? Lose that clamp like I said, alright? Copy that. Alright. Take this clamp off. Alright. Now we come this way over here. The bottom is kind of like a. You see it. You see the vibes. It's another hose over there. See it? So we're gonna do the Powerman 5000. I'm gonna pull this guy back. Spots. Okay. Phillips 8mm. It's gonna come out. Oh, here. Clips here. Come through like this. This one too. gonna come out. Put it there. Now this thing right here has some clips here. Clip here. Clip here. Now over here in this sensor connector, just squeeze it from the bottom, wiggle it, it's gonna come out, alright? It's right there, look like this. Okay. By now, just lift it. Now you can remove this hose. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Shit out. We're gonna reuse this hose, so. Alright. Now if you come to the bottom, you move this. This is for, I'm saying, just move this. And if you look through, there's a clamp. So we're gonna lose that in order to remove the reservoir. To put it back is gonna be I'm saying, so we're gonna lose that clamp. That one right there, alright. Flat screwdriver. Alright. Now once prepared though, because you need your bucket down there. Once you lose that clamp at the bottom, I'm just gonna pull this guy up. Okay. Alright. We're gonna have to transfer this hose. Break this clamp. I'm gonna transfer it to the new this guy right here. Comes with the sensor. It's a part number right there. This one. Alright, coolant level sensor. Which is gonna go right here. You need this Coolant Reservoir. This is the part number. Okay. That's the reservoir. Alright, there's a part number right here. So we're gonna grab the sensor. Alright. I'm gonna remove this guy. I'm gonna put this in like this. This thing got a face right there, okay? Now it's all set up. This part is gonna go with the hose. Ooh. This one. Here goes the connector, obviously. Gonna go like this. And don't forget to get this too, alright? With a flat screwdriver. So like that. Counterclockwise. Now put everything back. I'm saying. First we're gonna, like, it goes in reverse. You know the deal. Put the hose. Don't forget to put the clamp. The hose with the clamp. Put this thing there too. Remove it from the whole one. Run the hose. I'm saying. Don't forget to put this clip first. Clip first, then I'm saying secure it there. Same here too. Have to like lift it first. Put the clip and put it back. Now the bottom is not, the hose is not mounted on the thing, so from the bottom we're gonna push it in. Alright, we're gonna push it up and in. Okay, that's what we're gonna do from the bottom. It's for nothing though, but the bolt right there, you're gonna use a quarter like extension and a quarter socket, quarter socket. Alright, for that clamp. I don't know if it's gonna be the same one though, but this is what I use. So I come through like, oh, and a swivel quarter. Okay, gonna go like that. Alright, swivel. Where's that? Swivel. This is a swivel right here. Okay. Alright, so you don't putting everything back. You know what I'm saying? Put that back. Make sure these clips at the bottom in the corners are in. Then this guy is there. Top it off with some green coolant. Make sure it's not leaking. Put everything back. Alright. Right there. Start the car and see if there's any leak. If there's no leak, then you're good to go. Oh man, you gotta love this car, man. I'm gonna start it. Probably the cooling in the reservoir is gonna go down because, you know what I'm saying, I lose a little bit of coolant. So, and this 98 is stick shift. Well, now we'll see how it goes.
No income family.
I see no legs. Thank God. We'll see if still there. Cool. Make sure the hoses are not leaking. Alright. Well, I'm gonna run it for a minute. I'm gonna drive it just to put a little bit more pressure. I can just step on the gas pedal, you know what I'm saying, but I wanna drive this baby. 1998 BMW 323 IS. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for your project. You know what I'm saying? If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box. Let me know what you think. Other than that, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Like I said before, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button so every time I upload new content to this channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Alright, the other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad, don't skip it. It's just like regular TV, you know what I'm saying? It gotta come with commercials, you know what I'm saying? The commercials are like between 5 to 10 seconds, you know what I'm saying? So if you feel stressed, go take a break, you know what I'm saying? Get a drink, let the ad run, come back, keep doing this project, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever you're doing. Alright. Holla at your boy, Amaudi, Axtuo, Burun.